What's up, Mopar fam? It's your boy at Fred Easy. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be replacing the cabin air filter on my 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. Oh yeah, baby, let's get it. Part numbers for the cabin air filters can be found in the description for you all to check out after the video. There will be no tools needed for today. The cabin air filter, which is also called an air conditioning filter in the Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2s, is located behind the glove box. Now let's make sure the Jeep is off. Open the glove box and remove all of its contents. With the glove box door loose, remove the glove box tension tether and tether clip by sliding the clip toward the face of the glove box door and lifting the clip out of the glove box door. There's going to be glove box travel stops on both sides of the glove box door. Partially close the glove box door and push inwards to release the glove box travel stop on one side, and then go ahead and repeat the procedure for the opposite side. When disengaging the glove box door from its hinges, there will be some resistance. Next, pull the right hand side of the glove box door toward the rear of the vehicle to disengage the glove box door from its hinges. After that, remove the filter cover by disengaging the retaining tab and midway snap that secures the filter cover to the HVAC housing. Disengage the midway snap by pulling the door outward. Unhinge the filter cover on the right side to fully remove the cover. Now remove the AC air filter by pulling it straight out of the housing. Next, install the AC filter with the arrow on the filter pointing toward the floor. When installing the filter cover, make sure the retaining cover tabs fully engage the cover. The cabin air filter is identified with an arrow to indicate the airflow direction through the filter. After that, reinstall the glove box door on the door hinge and reattach the tension tether by inserting the tether clip in the glove box and sliding the clip away from the face of the glove box door. Finally, now push the door to the near closed position to re-engage the glove box travel stops. Congratulations, you have now changed the cabin air filter on your Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2. Pretty easy, eh? This procedure will be similar for other year models of the WK2 Jeep Grand Cherokees. It is noted in the owner's manual that the cabin air filter, which is also called the air conditioning filter, should be changed every 40,000 kilometers or every 24,000 miles. For the 2019 and up Jeep Grand Cherokees, you can also pop the hood and check the condition of the cabin air filter in the passenger side firewall. For previous years, they had a cabin air filter intake snorkel or plastic cover hiding the filter. You can find a link to our other Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT episodes in the comments, as well as the instructions in the description below. Hope this helps, Mopar fam. Peace.